Good morning, children. Now this is 10th class social studies. Children, we completed in geography 2 lessons. What are that? The first one is India relief divisions. The second one is ideas of development. In history 13th lesson, we completed 2 videos also concerning this lesson, children. Now, what is this lesson? 13th lesson. The world between wars. The world between wars. 1900 to 1950. That means what happened in the world during these 50 years of time. That is the lesson, children. In that lesson, Eric Hobsbawm, the historian, he said the 20th century is the age of extremes. Why he said like this? In the 20th century in the world, many incidents occurred. For example, First World War occurred, Second World War occurred. Okay, children. Next, Great Depression occurred. Next, scientific knowledge improved. New machines they invented. The people invented many new machines, etc. Next, democratic ideals also improved. Next, some countries got independence. The countries are Asian countries and African countries. Okay, children. The World Government Peace Organization UNO also formed. These all are happened. That is why the age of extremes, the 20th century, said by Eric Hobsbawm. He was a historian, children. What are the causes of First World War? What are the causes of Second World War? What are the long-term causes? What are the immediate causes? I said, okay, children. Next to here, look, children. League of Nations. After First World War, what was the period of First World War, children? 1914 to 1918. That was the League of Nations, that was the First World War time. After First World War, in 1919, the 6 victorious countries, they held one meeting. Okay, 32 nations attended to this meeting, but they did not invite some countries. For example, Germany was not invited to this League of Nations Versailles Treaty Conference, children. Okay, children. So in that Versailles Treaty, they decided to control defeated country of Germany, children. Okay, in 1919, Versailles Treaty formed by the then US President Woodrow Wilson. Who was the architecture of League of Nations? Woodrow Wilson. The headquarters is in Switzerland. Switzerland. We know, children, Switzerland, one of the country in Europe. Okay, the main aim of this League of Nations, collective security. What is that? Collective security is the main aim of League of Nations, to prevent wars. Okay, next it has some agencies, children. League of Nations. What are the special agencies of League of Nations? For health, labor, ICJ. Health means World Health Organization started. International Labor Organization started. International Court of Justice started, children. Okay, but unfortunately this League of Nations was failed, children. Why? Because the architecture, Woodrow Wilson belongs to America. America was not the member of League of Nations. Actually, in 1934, the countries, membership countries in League of Nations, 58 children. But America was not the member. Okay, so unfortunately, League of Nations was failed. Next, Germany challenged to vengeful domination, children. Germany here, due to the Versailles Treaty, what happened to Germany? In the Versailles Treaty, the victorious countries put many conditions over Germany. Okay, they reduced the armaments and military strength, etc. Germany were asked to surrender some lands which is occupied by the Germany. That means Germany lost in many ways. That is why Germany wanted to take revenge from that countries. In this way, at the time of the leadership of Hitler in Germany, Hitler came from the party, that party name was Nazi party. In Germany, the important party is Nazi party. In Italy, the important party name is Fascism party. Here in Italy, Fascism party, Mussolini, the leader. Here in Germany, Hitler, the leader, children. Hitler came as a dictator in 1933, okay, March 24, but he ruled as a dictator just 10 years, up to 1943, children. Okay, so in this 10 years period, he wanted to drown the Germany once again. In this way, he attacked the neighboring countries. He defeated many countries. Okay. Next one, he wanted to establish the political power in remaining countries like Britain, France, Netherlands, Portugal, etc. So we know these four countries established their political power, Asian countries and African countries. These four countries plundered these all countries. For example, our country occupied by Britishers. They plunder our country 200 years. Okay, when our Indian people, leaders fought against Britishers, then they got then they gave independence to our country. They left from our country. Okay, children. So likewise, Germany also wanted to occupy some lands in the world. They wanted to become a big superpower country in the world. Next, children, the fear of socialism. The fear of socialism. Here, socialism means what, children? All are equal in the society. What is the property belongs to public? The government will issue equally to all citizens of the country. What is the production comes from the industries? What is the production comes from the fields? They will distribute equally to all people. So that is called socialism, children. Okay. So in 1917, what happened? Russia embraced socialism in 1917, children. In 1917, children. Okay. So that is why Britain scared of spreading socialism in European countries. In this way, Britain went to Germany, discussed with Hitler to consolidate, to act as a buffer in the matter of socialism. Hitler also accepted. This is called appeasement. What it is called, children? Appeasement. Okay, appeasement. So Britain plus Germany, children. But what happened here? In 1939, Germany went to USSR. Germany went to USSR for negotiations. Okay. Again, in 1942, what happened? This Germany attacked our USSR, children. Are you understood, children? So that is why Germany attacked upon Poland, and he attacked the remaining neighboring countries, etc. Okay. Next, children, when the beginning of Second World War, even Japan joined with the side of Germany, children. Okay. In the Second World War, two main groups joined. Two main groups, countries fought each other. First group is Axis power group. Second group is Allied power groups. So here, Axis powers are three countries: Germany, Italy, Japan. These countries are Axis power countries. Allied power countries: France, Britain, USA, USSR, and China. These 5 countries. In the First World War, defeated country is Germany. In the Second World War, after defeated country Germany, children. Okay, children. So next to when Japan joined by the side of Germany, Japan attacked over Pearl Harbor, which is belongs to USA. When Japan attacked upon USA, USA dropped 2 powerful bombs over Hiroshima, Nagasaki belongs to Japan. Okay, children, little boy, fat boy, powerful bombs. Okay, so that is happened. Next, consequences. Due to the world wars, what happened in the world? We are discussing. Here, the human cost. Due to the First World War, 10 million people died, children. Due to the Second World War, 20 to 25 million people died, children. Once you imagine, their age below 40 years. Below 40 years means all are men. The backbone, strength of the country, every country, children. So, the countries what are participated in the First World War and Second World War, they lost the humans. Okay, so that is happened. Next to democratic principles, children. What is that? Democratic principles. Actually, after First World War, the empire system ended in the world. Empire system, very very important, children, keep in mind. Empire system means what are the empires in the world before First World War? Austro-Hungary Empire is there, German Empire is there, Russian Empire is there. Okay, children, Ottoman Empire. So these 4 empires ended after First World War. Okay, when the empire system ended, in Russia what happened? In 1917, they announced their country is a socialist country. Next, in Germany, they also announced their country Weimar Republic. What is that? Weimar Republic. Very very important, children. Weimar Republic belongs to Germany. Okay. Next, children, Ottoman Empire. It is also ended. Turkey embraced socialist to secularist country, children. Okay, so that is happened after wars. Next, after Second World War, World Peace Organization again started. I said after First World War, League of Nations started to preserve peace. Okay, with collective security. But unfortunately, the League of Nations was failed because Germany did not obey the orders of League of Nations. He wanted to occupy the territories which is lost by Germany. That is why these countries again divided as 2 groups, Allied groups and Axis power groups, children. After Second World War, what happened? League of Nations formed. League of Nations means, UNO was formed. UNO means United Nations Organization. What is that? United Nations Organization. It formed in 1945, October 24. Okay, the main aim of UNO, 4 things, children. Preserve peace. What is that? Preserve peace. Uphold human rights. Next, respect international laws. 4th one is promote social progress. Almost all countries in the world. Okay, children. If any war will arise between the countries, with negotiations they wanted to dispute the wars or quarrel, etc. between the countries or among the countries. Okay, children. So that is the main purpose of UNO. It has special agencies, organs. What are that? UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, ILO, ICJ. They are the special organs of UNO. These organs also doing for the welfare of all countries in the world. We know WHO, World Health Organization, ILO, International Labour Organization. Okay, next ICJ, International Court of Justice. UNESCO, United Nations Scientific Culture Organization, UNICEF, United Nations Children's Emergency Fund, etc. Next, children, after World Wars, what happened? Franchisement of women. So after World Wars, below 40 men was died. So that is why women had to come out from their house and they had to run their families. In this way, they took some jobs. For example, in schools as teachers, in offices, staff, okay, in colleges, lectures, etc. So they earned some amount. They built some confidence. So that is why they raised their tones for their right to vote. Okay, so in this way, Britain government gave right to vote to women in 1918, children. Okay, so these are the consequences of the world wars. Okay, children, thank you.